What's going on, YouTube? Slow Car Repairs. Today we're working on this 2010 Chevy HHR, and we're going to be changing out the headlight. So this is a method that you do so you don't have to take the wheel off. So since we're changing the passenger side out, you want to turn the wheel toward the driver's side, and you want to come down here, take out this plastic clip, goes here. Should be another one here, but it was already out. And there's going to be a 7mm right here. Unscrew that. You can get your hand back here. You can feel around for that low beam light bulb. Go ahead and take it out. Alright, so you can see the indicator light bulb right there, and a little bit off to the left, that's where you're going to find the low beam. So just gonna kind of want to get your hand in there real good, go past that one to the left of it and get that low beam out. So just go ahead and take that clip off, press that tab here, press that down, pull the bulb out, put the new one in. Now the best thing to do is wear gloves while you're doing this install, because you don't want to touch the lens with your hands, like your bare hands, because of the oil. So the best thing to do is just put some gloves on and install this. All right, so you can't see, but got the ball back in there. So we can go ahead and kind of line the fender back up. Put these clips back in and that screw. Sure, just grab your 7mm, screw it back in the bumper here. All right, so that is it. That's how you replace the low beam headlight on a 2010 Chevy HHR. Until next time, guys, like, share, subscribe, comment, or any questions you might have. Slow Car Repairs, we out. Peace.